Understanding your customers and your competitors' base is one of the first key steps to success in business. Without knowing who your customers and your competitors are, your business could struggle to come up with an effective marketing strategy. This is where a market analysis comes in. A marketing analysis can reduce risk, identify emerging trends, and help project revenue. You can use a marketing analysis at several stages of your business, and it can even be beneficial to conduct one every year to keep up to date with any major changes in the market. A detailed market analysis will usually be part of your business plan since it gives you a greater understanding of your audience and competition. In this video, we give you 5 tips to make a good market analysis. 1. Determine your purpose. There are many reasons you may be conducting a market analysis, such as to gauge your competition or understand a new market. Whatever your reason, it is important to determine it right away to keep you on track throughout the process. Start by deciding whether your purpose is internal or external. Your purpose will dictate the type and amount of research you will do. 2. Identify your target customer. Not everyone in the world will be your customer, and it would be a waste of your time trying to get everyone interested in your product. Instead, decide who is most likely to want your product using a target market analysis and focus your efforts there. You want to understand your market size, who your customers are, where they come from, and what might influence their buying decisions, looking at factors like age, gender, location, needs and interests. 3. Understand your competition. To be successful, you need a good understanding of your competitors, including their market saturation, what they do differently from you, and their strengths, weaknesses, and advantages in the market. Start by listing all your main competitors, then go through that list and conduct a SWOT analysis of each competitor. Then, rank your list of competitors from most to least threatening, and decide on a timeline to conduct regular SWOT analyses on your most threatening competitors. 4. Interpret your findings. One of the most important steps in the market research process is interpreting your findings. What is the research telling you? By answering this question, you will be able to understand what the research has uncovered. This step is about organizing your results and interpreting your findings. Basically, what have you discovered? Keep your research objectives front of mind when organizing and grouping your data. Look for ways you can improve your data organization. This will make it easier to come to a conclusion down the track. 5. Draw conclusions and make decisions. Once you have your findings, ask these 2 questions. 1. What do your findings mean for your business? 2. What are you going to do about it? Any conclusions you reach should align with your research objectives and your goals for your business. If you like the video, make subscribe and share it with your friends.